Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up a board on chess.com. So let's get right into it. Now, this is only available through the analysis tool where you can create a combination on the board and then play from there, or analyze it and see which options are the best for you. Now, as you can see, I'm on the main page of chess, and what you want to do is go into learn, and from here you're going to want to go into analysis or go into, well, yeah, only learn. Then just click analysis, and as you can see, that'll open up the analysis tool. Now you can load a combination from the library, load one from the archive, import a study, etc., etc. But you can just click set up a position, and here you can set up whichever board position you would like. You can move these pieces around wherever you would like. You can add new ones. You can do whatever you want, pretty much. But yeah, that's pretty much how you set up a board. Now, for example, if you wanted to, you could set up a board with pretty much infinite pawns if you wanted to, such as that. Well, not infinite, but you get what I mean. As many pawns as you would like, and you can just fill out the front rows like so. And now I'll do the same for white. And you do have to click and drag. There is no way to shift click, alt click, and copy pieces, which is sort of lame if you ask me. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, and that's all it takes. And now you can, as I mentioned, set up any combination on the board that you want, and you're pretty much good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.